Here I have Samsung Galaxy M14, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key. And after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this until the screen turns on and you can see Samsung logo appeared. Then you have to release power key and keep holding only volume up. And after that you will end up in recovery mode. So here in the recovery mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, power off, and repair apps. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.